So what is a heat loss calculation? So what is a heat loss calculation? So heat loss calculation is a method we use to determine how much heat is lost through your building.
What is included in a heat loss calculation?
With the calculations, we're really looking at the building fabric, the roofs, the windows, doors, all the walls, because each of those materials has a U value, which is how the material conducts heat depending on the difference between the temperature inside the property and outside the property. So what temperatures are used and why?
So there's three temperatures we use: is the outside temperature, the desired indoor temperature, and the flow temperature of the heat pump. And why we use all of these is so we can ensure the heat pump runs at its maximum efficiency. How are they carried out?
So we have to go around every single room individually and measure it room by room. And then we have to go and have a look at the insulation that's in the property, in the loft, in the cavity walls, if it has any. Once we've got all this information, we can put it onto our software that we use. And then once this is done, we can then submit a report to the customer.
So what about doing heat loss calculations for boilers?
So for specifying boilers in people's properties, we should absolutely be looking at how many radiators they have and if indeed they are the correct size. So what are the risks and impacts of both undersizing a heat pump and oversizing a heat pump?
So with undersizing a heat pump, you run the potential of the heat pump not actually being able to heat your property. And also, if it can heat the property, it will be at a high temperature, so less efficient. Now, the risk with oversizing a heat pump is high cycling, which again can lead to inefficient operation.